In our previous video, we explained how service design can help a coffee shop create unique customer experiences full of surprise and delight. But this is not where the story ends. To help our coffee shop continue to grow, we need to introduce two key players, data and design. Meet Data. She's a curious investigator. She has an analytical mind which can translate the seemingly incomprehensible into something insightful, logical, and useful. Data loves to collect information and examine it. She classifies that information using various characteristics and can spot interesting patterns. She then builds the tools needed to store and group her collections, making them easier to find and call upon when she needs them. Meet Design. He's an empathetic observer. He enjoys getting to know people and developing an understanding of what makes them tick. He explores how they spend their time, what makes them happy, what makes them sad, what delights them, and what frustrates them. And he examines how they make decisions. This allows design to imagine how everyday lives could be made easier, more rewarding, and overall better for everyone. For many years, data and design have been fiercely independent. They may be friends, but they've always chosen to solve problems on their own. When working this way, data would come up with fascinating facts and patterns, while design would build future visions for a better world. Let's return to our coffee shop and see how design handles problems. While helping to create new moments of delight, design makes personas based on conversations with existing customers. He invents a varied selection of fictional characters to represent their lifestyle and decision-making influences. He matches potential experiences and products with certain personas. Design will think about what makes a customer choose the coffee or product they buy. Say, for example, a black coffee to wake them up, or a frappuccino to treat themselves. He will understand how the customer feels in each scenario and what they need the most. Now, let's see how data would look at this differently. Data can match behaviors and needs with the right products and services. She knows when the customer is at work and when they're traveling, and she'll learn the difference in their coffee buying habits. She knows when a customer steps out of their home at 7 a.m. on a Tuesday, they're going to work, and can forward their regular black coffee order to the coffee shop for a quicker service. She also knows they only order a frappuccino on Sundays, so it'll provide relevant deals for that day only. But what happens if we give these two problem solvers the opportunity to work together? When data and design collaborate on a shared goal, they interweave their unique skills and instincts. They bounce ideas off each other and solve problems using a holistic collection of insights and information. The services they build together have the intelligence and understanding to morph into whatever each customer wants or needs. Together, they can use different information to provide impactful recommendations to improve the customer's day. For example, Data has access to the customer's calendar through the loyalty app, and she can see a 7 a.m. business meeting. She can also see the emails of people in the meeting who have signed up to the app too. This allows design to recommend everyone's favourite coffees to be delivered for the meeting to combat 7 a.m. tiredness. This provides an extremely personalised moment of delight for all the customers and builds the relationship between those customers and the coffee shop. Bringing together data and design results in services that surprise and delight customers. At Fjord, we describe these services as living services. And this is the next generation of service design.